Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. Yeah, HBAR has a bit of a problem here because it is one of the coins that has not produced a 5-wave move to the upside, at least not a reliable one, okay? It has not produced a reliable 5-wave move to the upside. We have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down here possibly, and a third wave up. But to count this here as a 4 and as a 5, this spike, which is completely unreliable, not really happy with that. Then we had, my best count is at the moment that this here is still possibly a wave 4, but I don't trust this. Yeah, I don't trust this at all. Actually, it would need to be A, B, C. Yeah, don't trust this movement at all at the moment. Therefore, I haven't given any support area. There are other setups where I've given support areas, possible trend reversal areas here. This is just a bit too messy, especially with that spike to the upside. So I would here look at, not doing anything at the moment, waiting for clarity basically. Yeah, not necessarily waiting for certainty, but waiting for clarity. It looks to me like a 3-wave move to the upside at this stage. Yes, I am tracking here possible bullish scenario, but really only because if we break below, the 4-cent level, which is here the swing low that was made on the 10th of June, then I think we're heading to new bear market lows anyway, and the overall assumption of an overall bullish scenario has to be scrapped anyway. So I give it a chance, but this is one of the less reliable structures at the moment that we have. All the altcoins are basically in a mess at the moment, short term. Very choppy price action, very corrective to the upside. And some are a little clearer, yeah, some are less clear. Bitcoin, Ethereum are the clearest patterns at the moment, and that can be seen in the price. I mean, they perform in fantastic ways at the moment, yeah, and have been since November last year. Whereas a lot of the altcoins are just going down and down and down. And some of them have made new bear market lows already, and HBAR might be the next one. I mean, unless it can really produce a reliable setup, but I can't see it at this stage. So we need to be ready. I'm tracking here still the potential for a bullish setup, but you know, how would we do that? I mean, it could be that this was indeed a third wave, yeah, and this is the fourth, a deep wave 4. But if it's a deep wave 4, I mean, how deep did it go to the golden ratio? So still acceptable. So I'm happy with if we get one more wave up, but it would need to be above 5.4 cents. Then we have 5 up. Then I count that as a wave 1 and give it a chance. Then we can look forward to a wave 2 pullback. At the moment, I mean, to count this already as wave 5 complete, not so happy with, not given this structure, which looks very much like a 3-wave structure, okay? So from that point of view, I'm just not happy to do it, okay? So one more low is very likely still until we have a reliable 5-wave move to the upside. And reliable, yeah, you need to understand reliable in the right way, because on this chart here, reliable would still, if we get 5 waves up, it would have to be a diagonal structure, and they need to prove themselves anyway. So how do they prove themselves? I said it many times. We need the 5 waves up, which we haven't got, at least not reliable ones. Then in an ABC structure to the downside, it needs to hold a higher low. So absolutely must avoid to break below the 4-cent level. Actually, it needs to hold the 78.6 retracement, which I cannot define at this stage. I can only do that as soon as we have 5 waves up. And then it needs to break above the 5th wave. Then we have confirmation, but already the support area that we can define will already lend itself to a potential long trade for anybody who chooses to use these parameters. But it's just at this stage not reliable. Okay, so waiting for clarity on this chart here. I wouldn't be surprised if this makes another low. I can only warn, yeah, bit of a warning here. It can always become something, but then there's no harm in waiting for more clarity, really. Okay, that's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.